Hello folks, not all heroes wear capes and not all great camera phones carry the Samsung, Apple or Google brand. The new Vivo X90 Pro Plus is the latest iteration in one of the most exciting camera phone series, and it is just as innovative as they get. The X90 Pro Plus just went official in China and it is truly one of the most compelling flagships around. The main star of the show is a 1-inch main Sony sensor, much larger than what you get on the iPhone 14 Pro Max or Galaxy S22 Ultra. The company is so confident in its creation that it calls its camera the king of 1-inch sensors. The phone isn't the first to come out with Sony's IMX989 imager, but Vivo did equip it with several enhancements that make it special. Let's start with the first thing light meets, the lens. It features a high-quality glass element with an AB number of 81.6. Higher number means less light dispersion. Plastic can have a number as low as 30. Also, the lens has a pretty wide aperture, f1.75. A certain Xiaomi has an f1.9 lens, which lets in more light. In addition to the main sensor superstar, you also have not one but two telephoto cameras. The first one is rather unique. It's a 50mm portrait lens with f1.6 aperture and fixed focus, and those who value portrait photography would really appreciate this nifty 50 lens. The second one is a periscope-style 3.5x zoom lens with a 64-megapixel sensor. Vivo uses some software magic and supports up to 100x digital zoom. All of the cameras except for the ultrawide come with optical image stabilization, which is especially helpful on the zoom lenses. Ultra-wide-angle camera uses a 48-megapixel Sony IMX598 sensor and comes with a 140-degree field of view. The X90 Pro Plus can record 8K video at 30 FPS, and if you want quality, there is a 14-bit RAW video mode. Dolby Vision and log formats are supported, and you can capture still shots at 10 FPS while recording video. Of course, we can talk a lot about the features, but here are some camera samples that Vivo has shown the media to illustrate what this new phone is really capable of. Super clean detail at night, incredible dynamic range, pleasing tonalities. All of this camera talk might fool you into thinking that the Vivo X90 Pro Plus has not prioritized other areas of the experience, but that would be a wrong assumption. It's packed to the gills with the latest hardware and well deserving of its flagship place in the Vivo lineup. The phone comes with a gorgeous 6.78 inches, 1440 pixels OLED screen with 120Hz dynamic refresh rate thanks to LTPO technology. It also gets super bright, hitting a peak of 1800 nits. All of that weighs 221 grams, or just slightly lighter than an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Under the hood, you get the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, loaded with 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of the new UFS 4.0 storage, but that might depend on the market. All of that is well protected with a durable construction and an IP68 rating for water and dust protection. For biometrics, Vivo brings back the impressively huge Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner built inside the screen. Powering the show is a 4700 mAh battery with 80 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging support. These speeds are just crazy, and with the charger inside the box, a full top-up will take only 33 minutes. The phone's body comes in two colorways, China Red and Original Black, both with a faux leather texture. A few more things worth mentioning. The phone is equipped with stereo speakers, but it offers a wireless option too. It promises lossless, low-latency audio. Bluetooth version 5.3 is supported. For wired connectivity, the USB-C support is rated for USB 3.2 Gen 1 speeds and supports video out. The Vivo X90 Pro Plus will first release in China with a MediaTek chip. Pre-sales in China kick off on November 28th, and the launch date is set for December 6th. Vivo didn't mention when or whether the rest of the world will get this phone, but chances are that it will arrive to other countries at a later point, and it's likely that the international model will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The price is flagship grade, but not crazy high. The base 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model retails for around $910. Guys, how do you like this model? Share your impressions in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Good luck to all.